Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to be going over the wiring harnesses that you will need to have if you have a 875M or 845M and you want to add additional options that John Deere offers in this Gator. All right, so this Gator 875M, this one's a diesel, and the 845M is a gasoline model. They both came out in, I think, late 24, and they were for sale in 25, for sale in 26. So they're relatively new. John Deere changed up some of the ways they include wiring harnesses in models, and these newer models don't include as many wiring harnesses. The older models did actually come with wiring harnesses in them. Stop. The 835s and 865s, 835 was gas, 865 was diesel. Those that's the older model, and those already came with wiring harnesses in M series. So this video is not about that. This video is about the newer models like I discussed, 845, 875. Those you're going to have to pick up an extra 2 wiring harnesses, which come in the same kit if you want to run the following items. All right, so if you want to run the front turn signals, you want to run front hazard lights, you want to run dual beam headlights, brush guard lights, and the horn. If you want to run any of those items, you're going to have to buy these wiring harnesses. Now, once you buy these, and maybe you only want to install just the horn or just the brush guard lights, whatever, you will have everything else pre-wired and you'll have all the sockets there ready to go. So once you buy it once, you won't have to buy it like 5 times to run the additional, 4 other things. So, but you will need to buy this and install this part number. Okay, and the part number is BUC 11384. That's BUC 11384. That's the part number. It's about $203 at this point on John Deere, through John Deere. In Florida, we buy our stuff through Everglades Equipment Group, which has locations all over Florida. But you can buy it through any John Deere dealer, in-house or online. But once you get that, it's not hard to install. I do have extra videos. I got a video on the horn installation with that wiring kit, so you can look at that video on how to install the wiring kit. And I also got a front turn signals and hazard lights. I got a video on how to install the front turn signals and hazard lights using that new wiring harness. So check out either of those videos as far as the installation goes of the wiring harness. All right, now I'm going to show you what that wiring harness looks like, and I'm going to tell you what each of those colored plugs are going to operate. Okay, now on this wiring harness, you got the 2 wires here for the horn, and then your other clip right there is for your brush guard lights. So you'll have 2 clips for that. Okay, now these here got 2 clips right here. This one here is for your LED headlights, and this one here is going to be for your turn signals. Okay, and then the same thing over here on your wiring harness. You got an LED headlight clip, and then you got a turn signal clip. Okay, and this is your main plug that's going to plug into the pre-existing wiring harness under the, this is where that plugs in. You're going to unplug this little jumper right here, and you're going to plug in that wiring harness right there at that spot. Now, there are other wiring harnesses that John Deere is going to make you buy with these newer models. There's roof wiring harness. There's a wiring harness for the bed, and there's different wiring harnesses depending on what you want to do. And so I'll be putting out other videos on those as I install those options. But for today, we're just talking about basically all the front end stuff. We're not talking about rear end stuff, just to operate the front end items that I was talking to you about. Now, once you install the wiring harnesses, you can buy a kit for the front turn signals, okay? And it will give you front turn signals like I'll show you here. And it's going to give you hazard lights. Okay, this is going to be a separate kit. It's going to run your turn signals and your hazard lights. Okay, that's one kit. And watch my video on that and we'll show you how to do that. And that's going to run you about $125. And we got a separate video on that. And then we got how to add the horn. Go ahead and check out that video. And I think it was like $67 for the horn kit. And you can also install your horn. Okay, and we didn't install a brush guard yet, but when we do that, we'll have a video for you. And then we're gonna have the brush guard lights, and we'll have a video on that. And the headlights, they just come with single beam. They don't come with dual beam. But if you want to upgrade it to dual beam LED headlights, we're gonna have a video coming out on that, but we don't have that yet. Okay, now when you order that front turn signal kit, it's going to come with your hazard lights right here. Okay, and that's going to operate your front hazard lights. That switch is going to come with those lights already in the kit. And when you add the horn here, okay, that horn button is going to come inside your horn kit with the horn. Okay, those are separate kits. Be sure to watch my videos on that. Also, your turn signal. This switch is going to come in your turn signal and hazard kits for the front. So you will get that included in that same price. So be sure to watch my video on that, which I already have out. All right, so that's your BUC 11384. That's the one that you're going to have to buy to run all of these items. And that's what it's going to consist of, just 2 wiring harnesses, and you're going to put that in there, and that's going to cover all these things. You can just do them one at a time if you want. But for $203, it's going to cover all of those options. All right, so there you have it. Make sure you pick up those wiring harnesses, or all those extra things are not going to work for you. And we got a lot more videos coming out. If you like it, hit the like button. And if you want to subscribe, we'll help you out on a lot of other things in our videos.